Here we go, starting off CNC break number 5048. We have the 12-13 Retro and the 13-14 Trilogy. And of course, best of luck to everybody in the break. We start off for the Arizona Coyotes with the worst autograph ever, Patrick O'Sullivan. That is literally a scribble. We've got for the Pittsburgh Penguins, autographics of Cal O'Reilly. Yeah, that one's just horrible. That's basically just like, I just want to get this done with, I don't care. We've got a diamond tribute for the Maple Leafs of Matt Sundin. EX for the Boston Bruins, Patrice Bergeron, and for the Oilers, Jordan Eberle Ultra. Metal Universe for the LA Kings, Wayne Gretzky, and for the Oilers, Taylor Hall Ultra. Metal Universe for Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick Kane, and for the LA Kings, Jonathan Quick Ultra. We've got a Flair Showcase for the Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price, and a Patrick Marleau for the Sharks Ultra. Flair Showcase for the Vancouver Canucks, Pavel Bure, and for the Maple Leafs, Matt Sundin Ultra. We've got for the Winnipeg Jets, a Skybox autograph fix of Dustin Byfuglien. And, wow. We've got number 37 of 37, Essential Credentials Future for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Mario Lemieux. For the Penguins, Mario Lemieux. So Pittsburgh has an autograph and out of 37 Lemieux on the first box. Brad, cut up all the cardboard, take that out. Cut up all the cardboard and take that out so I can do some more of these. Sure. We got for the Calgary Flames a McDonald, Iginla, and Cervenka triple jersey. Lenny. We've got for the St. Louis Blues an Ice Scripts autograph of Yaroslav Halak. Ice Scripts autograph.
That was like 3 teams ago.
What's that?
That was 3 teams ago, and it's a 13-14 product.
And we've got for the Anaheim Ducks a Rookie Premier's Level 2 autograph number to 399, Emerson Edom.